presenting a pre-owned 2020 Cadillac. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.